नित्यपुरीश्वर नित्यानन्द
नित्यानन्देश्वर समारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि मध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Shri Mahans, Mahants, Tanedars, Kotaris, visitors, viewers, sitting with us all over the world through Nityananda TV, Sadhana TV, and two-way video conferencing. Sitting with us through two-way video conferencing. Nityananda Dhyanapidam, Nityananda Nagar Tiruvannamalai, and Nityananda Dhyanapidam, Hyderabad, Nityananda Nagaramu, Hyderabad, Kemas, Hong Kong, Jnaneshwar, Nepal, Hyderabad, Guptakashi, Ohio, Shivananda, Belgium, Germany, Tallahassee, Florida, Dubai, Vaidyanatham, Kastau, Croatia, Jnaneshwar, Nepal, Kathmandu, Nepal, Oman, Sivagangai, Winston-Salem, North Carolina, Singapore, Singapuram, San Jose, Madurai, Brahmasuki Batch, Bangalore, Oklahoma, Somanatham, Seattle, Chidambaram, Singapore, Singapuram, Toronto, Kailasam, Houston, Kalahasti, Scottsdale, Arizona, Charlotte, Srisalem, Ohio, Prague, Pidadishwari's Training Center, Salem, Nityananda University, Paris, Port Washington, New York, Melbourne, Australia, Nityananda University, Los Angeles. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Today, Nityananda Purnima. Between the age of the 11th over and 12th running, that is the age I had this experience on this very day in the evening. In Tiruvannamalai, we can see Tiruvannamalai. Pazhakundu is also from two-way video conferencing. Puja is happening. The exact place where I had enlightenment, to the exact rock on which I had enlightenment. And today is also the Utsava of Tirujnana Sambandhas, Mukti. The Guru Puja of Tirujnana Sambandha starts today, and for next 3 days the Utsava will be held. Tirujnana Sambandha and his Guru Puja is celebrated throughout our Sangha. on this auspicious day of Tirungnana Sambandar's Guru Puja Utsavam and my enlightenment day. I'm trying to count the years between 11 and 12, if it's the first happening. Maybe I don't know, 25 years or. On this auspicious day, we are inaugurating formally Nityananda Gurukul in Tiruvannamalai. Through this announcement, I am formally inaugurating Nityananda Gurukul in Tiruvannamalai, and Tiruvannamalai Gurukul already has 31 kids. 31 kids are there. My blessings. Tiruvannamalai Gurukul I am inaugurating on this exact day as a symbol. I am committing every kid in the Tiruvannamalai Gurukul, I will make them enlightened. Give this very experience. That is why symbolically I am inaugurating on this very day of my enlightenment day, my blessings to the whole Tiruvannamalai Nityananda Sangha and all the kids, all the teachers, all the students, Mahants, Kotaris, Tanedars and Sri Mahants of Gurukul. So, we are actually celebrating today 25th Enlightenment Day. 24 years back it happened. So 25th Enlightenment Day. And blessings to Tiruvannamalai Nityananda Gurukul. Today I am also formally inaugurating the Hyderabad Nityananda Gurukul. In Hyderabad Nityananda Gurukul, as of now we have 2 students. It is happening. Formally I am inaugurating the Nityananda Gurukul Hyderabad today. I have always seen anything we start in Tiruvannamalai immediately starts flourishing, means spreading all over the world. The moment we started the branch in Tiruvannamalai, all over the world branches have started happening. Now I know, the moment we started the Gurukul in Tiruvannamalai, all over the world Nityananda Gurukuls will start happening. So beautiful. Buddha is offering 108 Nivedyams to Nityanandeshwara, Nityanandeshwari and Nityananda and Tirungnana Sambandar on this auspicious day of 25th Enlightenment Day and Tirungnana Sambandar's Guru Puja Mahotsava.
Yanandane charanam pada kamalam
Today I just wanted to express my message on this Enlightenment Day in few lines. Please listen. Anything in the outer world can be achieved when you work for it. Wealth, if you work for it, you will get it. Relationships, if you work for it, you will get it. But in the inner world, anything you want, you have to work from it. If you want to have Advaitic experience, you have to work from the Advaitic space. If you want Bhakti experience, you have to work from the Advaitic Bhakti space. But in both, you have to work. Understand? But both you have to work. In the inner world, don't think just if you carry the space, you will achieve it. No. Only when you operate from that space again and again, you will know the strength of the space and you will strengthen that space. So today, less words, more contemplation. Less words, more contemplation. More manana. I wanted all of you to contemplate on this one truth. Please listen. Contemplate on this one truth. Contemplate on this one truth. Anything you want in the outer world, you have to work for it. Anything you want in the inner world, you have to work from it. If you want living Advaita in the inner space, you have to continuously be active, alive, work from the space of Advaita. Work from the space of Advaita. Work from the space of Advaita. Drive yourself from the space of Advaita. Let the self-driving happen from the self. Self-driving happening from the self is what I call enlightenment. Self-drive happening from the self is what is enlightenment. Contemplate on these few words today. I bless you all. You will all have that enlightenment experience. And with this, I bless all of you. Let's all radiate living Advaita. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching and causing eternal bliss. Nityananda. Thank you.
மந்திரமாவது நீரு, வானவர் மேலது நீரு,